Welcome all in our second lecture on Taylor's theorem. So in this lecture we are expanding our function in powers of x plus a or x minus a. Okay. So in this case we are taking a with opposite sign. If we have given x plus a, then take a with opposite sign, that means minus sign. And if we are given x minus a, if our requirement is to expand in power of x minus a, then take a is equal to plus a. Okay, that means with opposite sign. So first example become expand 3x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 4 in powers of x plus 2. So here we have given this function, this is a function of x. याच्यामधून काय रिमूव्ह करायची गरज नाही, डायरेक्ट एफ ऑफ एक्स दिलेला आहे आणि आपली रिक्वायरमेंट आहे एक्स प्लस 2 च्या पॉवर मध्ये त्याला एक्सपांड करायचं. इथे प्लस 2 आलेलं आहे म्हणजे हे घेताना काय येणार आहे, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a इज मायनस 2. ओके, सो बाय टेलर्स थ्योरम f of x is equal to f of a plus x plus a into f dash of a plus x plus a bracket square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x plus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus and so on. Okay, up to infinity, go up to infinity. ठीक आहे, तर या पद्धतीने आपलं टेलर्स थ्योरम आहे. सो therefore f of x is equal to f of a, but we are taking a is equal to minus 2. So we get f of minus 2 plus, so here a is equal to 2, so we are taking a with negative sign, right, in this way. That's it. Okay, so this is f of x we required in power of x plus 2, so here a is equal to 2, so f of x is equal to f of minus a plus x plus a into f dash of minus a plus x plus a bracket square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of minus a plus x plus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of minus a plus and so on. ओके, तर फंक्शन मध्ये मायनस ए व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सबस्टिट्यूट करायची. ए जर 2 असेल तर मायनस ए काय येणार आहे, मायनस 2 येणार, म्हणजेच याची जी साइन आहे ती चेंज करायची. इथं म्हटल्याप्रमाणे अपोजिट साइन द्यायचे, फंक्शन मध्ये व्हॅल्यू पुट करतात. सो प्लस x plus 2 into f dash of minus 2 plus x plus 2 bracket square upon 2 factorial means 2 into f double dash of minus 2 plus x plus 2 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of minus 2 plus and so on. Okay, so this is our equation number 1. Now find value of f of x. So here f of x is 3x cube, then minus 2x square plus x minus 4. So our requirement is to find f of minus 2, right? As per our equation number 1, काय पाहिजे आपल्याला, f of minus 2 पाहिजे. तर या ठिकाणी f of x लिहिलेला आहे आपण. So here f of x is this function. So replace x by minus 2, we get 3 into bracket minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 square plus minus 2 minus 4 as it is. So in that way we get this become minus 8 into 3 minus 24, this become minus 8, this become minus 2 minus 4. Okay, so finally we get minus 38. So this is value of our f of minus 2. What is value of minus f of 2 is minus 38. Okay, so now find f dash of x. That means derivative of this f of x. 3 as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 2 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 4 is 0. So in that way we get derivative become 9x square minus 4x plus 1. And therefore f dash of minus 2 become, हा जो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आलेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 1 च्या ऐवजी -2 रिप्लेस करायचा. So we get 9 into -2 square minus 4 into -2 plus 1. So this become square of -2 is 4. 4 into 9. 36 minus 2 into -4 become plus 8 plus 1. So in that way we get 45 is the value of f dash of -2, right? So this is value of f dash of -2. Now find f double dash of x. That means again differentiate this, we get derivative of x square is 2x, 2x into 9 will become 18x minus 4 as it is. So f double dash of -2 become 18 into -2 minus 4 as it is. So in that way we get f double dash of -2 is minus 2 into 18 become minus 36, right? Minus 36 minus 4 is minus 4. So this is value of f double dash, second derivative of given function at x is equal to -2. Now find third derivative of given function. So derivative of 18x minus 4 is 18. So third derivative at x is equal to -2 become 18. Okay. So in this way we can easily find derivative term at a, that means at -2. And now write equation 1. Therefore 1 become f of x is equal to f of -2, value of f of -2 is -38. Then f dash of -2, value of f dash of -2 is 45 plus 45 into x plus 2 as it is. Then value of f double dash of -2, f double dash of -2 is -40. So -40 into x minus 2, sorry, x plus 2 bracket square divided by 2. Then f triple dash of -2 is plus 18 into x plus 2 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial means 6 plus, again differentiate this, that means fourth derivative of 18 is 0. So this term becomes 0 and remaining all terms are 0. So in that way we get -38 plus 45 x plus 2 minus 20 x plus 2 bracket square, this 2 will get cancelled, here 6 will get cancelled, so what is remaining? Plus 3 into bracket x plus 2 bracket cube. So this is the series expansion of given function in powers of x plus 2 as per our requirement. Okay, या पद्धतीने अगदी इझिली आपण टेलर्स सिरीज मेथड यूज करून, टेलर्स थिअरम यूज करून आपल्या सिरीजचे एक्सपान्शन लिहू शकतो. ओके, एकदा व्यवस्थित बघूया. Now try to solve one more example using Taylor's theorem. So this is our given example. So here f of x is x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1, and we required power series expansion in powers of x minus 3. So here a is 3. So by Taylor's theorem f of x is equal to, या ठिकाणी x minus 3 च्या पॉवर मध्ये पाहिजे आपल्याला, म्हणजे x minus a च्या पॉवर मध्ये आपण त्याला लिहिणार आहोत. फंक्शन मध्ये रिप्लेस होईल पा माइनस a आलं असेल तर फंक्शन मध्ये आपण प्लस a रिप्लेस करत असतो. सो फर्स्ट टर्म बिकम f of a प्लस x minus a ला मल्टिप्लाय f dash of a, then plus x minus a bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus and so on. कायम लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे प्लस साइन असेल तर मायनस रिप्लेस करायचं फंक्शनमध्ये आणि इथं जर मायनस साइन असेल तर फंक्शनमध्ये प्लस टर्म रिप्लेस करायची आहे. सो दिस implies f of x is equal to, here a is equal to 3. So this expansion become f of 3 plus x minus 3 into f dash of 3 plus x minus 3 bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of 3 plus x minus 3 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 3 plus and so on. So here we know the value of f of x. So here f of x is equal to, so x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. So this is given f of x. So find value of this function at x is equal to 3 as per our requirement from our formula. So f of 3, so replace x by 3. So we get 3 raised to 4 minus 3 into 3 cube, then plus 2 into 3 square minus 3 plus 1. So these two terms are same. 3 raised to 4 and this is also 3 raised to 4. 3 cube into 3 becomes 3 raised to 4. So this is 0. So next term become 9 into 2 is 18 minus 3 plus 1. So in that way we get this term become 16. So this is value of f of 3 is 16. Now calculate derivative of this function, that means f dash of x. So f dash of x become 4x cube minus 3 into 3x square plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 0. So that means 4x cube minus 9x square plus 4x minus 1. Now find value of this derivative function at x is equal to 3. So this become 4x cube means 3 cube minus 9 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 1. Now calculate this value. So this become 27 into 4, 108 minus this term become 81. This is 12 and then minus 1. So in that way we get this value become 38. Okay, 18 plus 12, 18 plus 12 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38. So this is value of f dash of 3. Okay. Now calculate next derivative of this function, that means second derivative. So f double dash of x become 12x square minus 18x plus 4. Now find this value of second derivative at x is equal to 3. So this become 12 into 3 square minus 18 into 3 plus 4. So this become 108 minus 54 plus 4. So this value become 58. F double dash of 3. So in that way we get value of second derivative of our function at x is equal to 3. Now find third derivative. Third derivative of x is equal to 24x minus 18. So third derivative at x is equal to 3 become 24 into 3 minus 18. So this become 72 minus 18. So third derivative at x is equal to 3 become 54. Okay, so in that way we get value of third derivative. Now find fourth derivative of given function. So fourth derivative is equal to 24, that means constant. So value of fourth derivative at x is equal to 3 is 24. Now again differentiate this. 5 times we get derivative becomes 0 because this is a constant function. And all other derivative we will get 0 value. So put these values in our equation number 1. So put in equation 1. So equation 1 become f of x is equal to, here is our equation 1. So f of 3, value of f of 3, which is 16. Then plus sign, value of f dash of 3 is 38 into x minus 3. Then plus sign, value of f double dash of 3 is 58 into x minus 3 bracket square upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2. Then plus sign, value of f triple dash 3 is 54 into bracket x minus 3 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial is 6 plus 24, which is value of fourth derivative, into x minus 3 bracket raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial, which is 24, plus remaining terms are 0 because remaining derivatives are 0. So in that way we get 16 plus 38 into bracket x minus 3 plus dividing by, we get 29, so plus 29 into bracket x minus 3 bracket square, okay, plus 9 into bracket x minus 3 bracket cube plus x minus 3 bracket raised to 4. So this is our required desired expansion of given function in powers of x minus 3. X minus 3 च्या power मध्ये आलेला आहे. ओके, एकदा व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या. Now our third example is to find the Taylor series expansion of function log of cos x in ascending power of x minus pi by 2, in which we required only two terms. Okay, so here we have given f of x. So by Taylor series, by Taylor's theorem, we know that f of x is equal to, कोणाच्या पॉवर मध्ये एक्सपान्शन हवा आहे, x मायनस पाय बाय 4 च्या, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी a ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे, पाय बाय 4 येणार आहे. मायनस साइन आले, मायनसच्या ऐवजी आपण काय घेतो, प्लस घेतो. सो वी रिक्वायर्ड f ऑफ पाय बाय 4 देन प्लस x मायनस पाय बाय 4 into f dash of pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of pi by 4 plus and so on. So here f of x is equal to log of cos x, which is given function. Okay, हे दिलेलं फंक्शन आहे log of cos x, त्याला f of x मानतो आपण. So therefore f of pi by 4 is equal to log of cos pi by 4, and we know that the value of cos pi by 4, so this is equal to log of 1 upon root 2. Okay, value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, now find derivative. F dash of x is equal to derivative of log of cos x is 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That means we get minus tan x. Okay, so final derivative function become minus of tan x. Sin x upon cos x is tan x, and so f dash of pi by 4 is equal to minus of tan pi by 4, so which is equal to minus of 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So in that way we get first two terms are non-zero terms. So this is enough for our expansion because we required first two terms only. पहिल्या दोनच टर्म आपल्याला हवे, या दोन्हीच्या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू नॉन झिरो आले म्हणजे दोन टर्म आपल्याला मिळून जातात. पहिलं f ऑफ पाय बाय 4 त्याची व्हॅल्यू आलेली आहे log ऑफ 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2. त्याच्यानंतर f डॅश ऑफ पाय बाय 4 त्याची व्हॅल्यू आलेली आहे -1. सो -1 इनटू x मायनस पाय बाय 4 प्लस, आणि पुढच्या व्हॅल्यू काय असतील ते असतील. आपल्याला फक्त दोन टर्म हव्या होत्या नॉन झिरो टर्म, ते आपण मिळवलेले. हा ऑप्शन कुठे आहे ते पहा, log of 1 upon root 2 या दोघांमध्ये पण आहे, मध्ये मायनस साइन इथं आहे इथं नाही. ओके, म्हणजे ऑप्शन सी हा करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे. सी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, तर या पद्धतीने एमसीक्यू पण आपण इझिली सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. ठीक आहे. हे दोन एक्झाम्पल दिलेले आहेत होमवर्कसाठी. पहिलं एक्झाम्पल आहे एक्सपांड x³ प्लस 7x² प्लस x मायनस 6 इन पॉवर्स ऑफ x मायनस 3, and this is answer of this is expansion of this function. Simultaneously I have given one more example in which want to expand in powers of x plus 1. Okay, so try to solve these two examples at home. Thank you.